Guys, I'm going to be showing you how I use and make my aloe vera gel. Okay, the first step is you're going to want to get the aloe vera plant, cut off this end right here, and you're going to let all the brown serum, all the bad serum, drain out to the sink. Okay, I'm going to let this drain for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. What I am going to be using is a old candle glass, and just you cleaned out all the wax, washed it out with some soap and water, and sprayed it down with alcohol and wiped it out, just to make sure it's clean and sterilized. Okay, you can see I've cut it into this 2-inch, 3-inch piece so I can empty out the gel inside. I'm going to put it into a measuring cup so whenever I do go blend it, it will be much easier to pour in. Okay, I already have scooped that piece out, and now I just washed my hands after this, obviously, because it's covered in like the slimy stuff, and my hands are already feeling soft from the aloe vera gel. I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting this all the way up and putting it into the measuring cup, and then we'll go to the blender. You can kind of just barely slide, and the gel's so like thin it will come off, and that's exactly what you want. You want as much of this gel as you can get. Obviously that's how you're going to have more product. Okay, so here is all my gel, and these are pieces. These pieces you can actually use right now. Put it on your arms, your skin, your hair right now, because they're still good. This will be the product you can save, obviously, for later. Really important to have a jar that's clean and that's airtight and stuff like that. And it also has to be refrigerated. Okay, so this is the time you can add essential oils, coloring, or anything like that, but I personally do not like to add anything to my aloe vera gel. Guys, this is the final result. The rest of this video is going to be explaining the benefits and why to use aloe vera for like skin and your face and beauty. Hey guys, so I'm going to be explaining the benefits of aloe vera. It's really moisturizing and it really helps your skin. It's been known to help multiple things. The most probably known one is sunburns. I like to use it on like my face and my hair and my skin. It makes your skin so soft, it's ridiculous. I found like a list of stuff it does help. It can almost be used for anything. Hair, thinning, bald spots, lice, dandruff, dry scalp, skin, scrapes, cuts, burns, scars, pimples. It can be used as a moisturizer. It's good for eczema. It's good for mosquito bites. It's good for rashes. It's good to eat. There's just benefits on top of another and on top of another, just endless. Aloe vera is so versatile. You can use it to your hair, to your skin, to your body, to anything. It's crazy how you can use aloe vera for just about anything. The benefits in it are really good. A lot of people are kind of like, you know how I drained it? Some people say you don't have to drain it if you don't eat it, and then some people say you have to drain it regardless. So I'm not sure what the serum is, but they say to drain like that brown goopy stuff, kind of let it sit in a sink and just drain out if you are going to eat it. But I'm not sure definitely if that is something you have to have. The little pieces right here that are left over, ooh, it's dripping, from me scraping them out, can actually be used on your skin right now. And it's really moisturizing. You can just see, look at that. All that excess you can use right now, you can put in your hair and stuff like that. And just look. I'm just trying to show you guys how moisturizing it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am planning on making more, like a recipe for your hair, a recipe for your face. I prefer all just natural, but I would love to look at different ones. Like you can even mix it with like coconut oil and almond oil. The only one I've really heard of is essential oil, just to give it a smell. It doesn't have a bad smell, but I guess people like to smell good because you do place it all over your body. I don't even think it has, like, I don't know, to me I can't really smell anything. I might be just because I'm stuffy, but I've never noticed a particular smell from aloe vera. Maybe it smells bad to people, but not to me. I don't think it does, but you can add essential oil if you want. But yeah, I'm planning on making more recipes like that. Ways you can eat it, ways you can put it in your hair, and the ways you can use it on your skin. Maybe like a stretch mark one, and like acne scar one to see if it lightens or anything. I'm really excited to do them, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe and like.